Use a 5mm hex key to unscrew the 2 screws that fix the kickstand. Remove the kickstand. Align with the screw holes and install the kickstand. Apply thread a locking adhesive to the screws. Tighten the 2 screws alternately.